Hi, today we're going to show you how to set up the Impact LKB-4C. Here's what it comes with. The light kit bag, 2 padded L-shaped panels, 4 internal dividers, and a shoulder strap. Okay, let's assemble it. Step 1, open the bag and remove all the contents. Step 2, insert the L-shaped panels into the bag as walls. Press the L-shaped side panel to the touch connect strips at the top of the bag walls to secure them. Step 3. Insert the dividers and press the touch connect strips to the L-shaped panels to secure them in place. That's it. You're good to go. For more information, hit the subscribe button and visit us at impactstudiolighting.com.